Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to create the graphics for your app. Okay, so the Google Store requires you to have screenshots. Okay, and they also require you to have a high resolution icon and a feature graphic. Okay, so the high res icon's dimension is 512 by 512 pixels, and the feature graphic should measure 1024 by 500 pixels. Okay, so you need all these feature graphics. All right, so I will teach you how to make this. So first, we have to go to canva.com. Okay, so Canva is our resource for making designs. Okay, so first of all, um, you have to go here at the right upper corner, click use custom dimensions. Okay, and then put there 512 by 512 and click design. So this is the measurement of the high res icon. If it's not that measurement, Google Play will not accept it. Okay, it needs to be 512 by 512. All right, so let's put a background. Let's go here at the left corner and click background, and we can add a background color. Okay, we can also use different designs here at the bottom. Okay, these are different textures, and we can also upload our own background. So we can do this by clicking here, upload on the left side, and then click upload your own images. Okay, so we can choose here. Okay, so I actually uploaded this already earlier. See, it's still processing here, but we can use this. So we need to drag it here. Okay, drag it here, and then we can resize it. Okay, so that's one way. Okay, but for our purposes, I just want to use a plain background color. So let's just use blue. And since our app is about puppet training, then I will type here on the search bar dog. Okay, so different images of dogs will show up, and some are free, some are paid. So you can see here free, free. Okay, if we scroll down below, there are also paid pictures. Okay, so you can see here this is $1. Okay, so if you drag it here, okay, this is a paid um photo, but there's a watermark. Okay, so if you pay the $1, then the watermark will be removed. Okay, so let's delete that. So I'm just gonna use a free picture here. Okay, I'm just gonna use this icon and then resize it. Okay, I'm gonna resize it, and I want to add a text. So let's click here text on the left side and click add heading. Okay, so I'm gonna type there puppy training. Okay, but I want the font to be different. So this is Abril Fat Face. I want this to be Fredoka 1. Okay, so you can choose. There are lots of fonts available, but I like this font. Okay, so this is finished, and just click download and just download this. Okay, just download this, and that is one example. Okay, so I will teach you another way of making an icon. So let's just close this for now. Okay, so here is a logo. Okay, let's click logo. Okay, so here at the logo, you can see there are many designs, but the logo size is 500 by 500. Okay, it's not enough to be 512 by 512. It is 500 by 500. So there are two ways we can do this. You can choose a logo, and you can resize, but you have to pay. Okay, you have to pay Canva for work. You have to pay about $15 to resize it, and One technique I will teach you is you design your logo or your icon here. For example, like this. Let me just choose, for example, like this. Okay. And then you download it. Okay. So click download. And then once you save that, okay, you will create here, use custom dimension. So just click here, use custom dimension, and then type 512 by 512, and then click design. Okay. So what we will do is we will remember that we download the logo, right? So just click here, upload your own images. So see this logo, I made this using Canva, and its size is 512, sorry, it's 500 by 500. So just click it, okay, just wait for it to upload. And then once it's uploaded, we can drag it here. Okay, so you can see there's some extra white space on the sides because it's not 512 by 512, it is 500 by 500. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag this. Okay, we're just gonna drag this. So now it's 512 by 512. So we just download it. Okay, so just click download, and that is how you use the logo design, even if it's not the required size by Google Store. So it's easier if you just use a logo design. Okay, and then just save it and then upload it, and then use custom dimension and just resize the logo. All right, so the next graphic we're gonna make is the feature graphic. Okay, this is a feature graphic, and the size is 1024 by 500 pixels. So we're gonna make a new design, and we're gonna use custom dimension here. Okay, just click it and then type 1024 by 500. Okay, 500. And then click design. Okay, so there's going to be a blank space here. So we're gonna put again a background color. Okay, and then we're gonna add a dog picture. Okay, so this is one way of making this. Right, so we resize it, and then we can add a text here, puppy training. Okay, let's make it a different font. Want to make it Fredoka one. You can use other fonts if you want, but this is just my preference. And then we have to make it bigger. Okay, so my recommendation here, because there's an extra space here, let's make another subheading. Add subheading, and then put a subtitle. Okay, so this is my recommendation, and we can change this into a different color. Okay, so so this is one way of making a feature graphic. So if you're lazy, there's also another way. So let's just make another one. Okay, so this is what I do with my clean eating app. So my app is about clean eating. So what I did is just this. If you I just type a picture of a salad, because my app is about clean eating and it involves salad. So there are free photos here, and they're also paid. So I just used one of the free photos. Okay, so I just drag it here. So let's delete this. Okay, so I just drag it here, and then I just drag it all the way here. Okay, so it could be as simple as that if you want to make a feature graphic, or you can add some text if you want, or you can just put a photo here. So the size is 1024 by 500. Okay, so that is how you make a feature graphic. And just click download. Okay, and then just upload it on the store listing. So now we have a high-res icon and a feature graphic. So the next we're gonna make is the screenshots. So there need to be at least 2 screenshots are required, and a maximum of 8 screenshots per type. So most cell phones will have a function for screenshot. You can just take a screenshot using your smartphone, or I use co-player for this. So let me just get the co-player. Just hold on for a bit. Okay, so now I opened my co-player, and then let's click to the app. Okay, so now we're gonna take a screenshot. So I do this by using snip function. It is free in Microsoft, so just click here at the start button and then just type snip. If you have a snip function, I'll just use the snipping tool. Okay, so click new, and then we're gonna snip the screenshot. Okay, so this is the screenshot I took using snip, so I'll just save it. Okay, and then we're gonna take another screenshot because we need at least 2 screenshots, so I'm just gonna press this and then take a screenshot. Again, we're gonna use new snip, new. Okay, so I'm gonna snip it again, and I'm gonna save it, and then another snip. Okay, so I'm just gonna press one of these, and then I'm gonna take another snip. Okay, so now I have 3 screenshots. Okay, you can make up to 8 screenshots. That is up to you. It is better to have more screenshots, but you need to have at least 2 screenshots. So that is how you make your graphics for Google Play Store.